Hello friends, I'm so happy you're here. Let's begin by bringing 1 and 2/3 of cups of whole milk to a gentle boil. You can also use heavy cream if you want a richer dessert. Next, whisk 2 egg yolks and a pinch of vanilla until they are well combined. Today we are making one of the easiest desserts you'll ever try, silky homemade caramel pudding. Believe it or not, you only need 3 basic ingredients: eggs, sugar, and milk. Everything else is optional, so if you don't have vanilla, you can simply skip it. Now let's make our caramel. Add 1/3 cup of sugar to a saucepan and stir gently over medium heat. Be patient and let it slowly melt into a beautiful golden caramel. Watching sugar transform like this is always a little bit magical. While the caramel is finishing, bring your whole milk up to boil. Carefully pour the hot milk into the hot caramel and start stirring instantly. Everything will come together into a beautiful caramel milk. If the caramel hardens into little pieces, don't worry at all. Simply return the mixture to the heat for a minute or two and stir until it's completely smooth again. Now slowly pour the warm caramel milk into the egg mixture while whisking continuously. Adding it gradually helps create a silky custard without scrambling the eggs. In just a few moments, you'll have the perfect pudding base. Strain the mixture into heat-resistant cups to remove any egg bits and guarantee an extra smooth texture. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. While I finish filling these cups, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Let me know in the comments. I always enjoy seeing how far the recipes travel. If you enjoy videos like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support is my main source of inspiration. Cover each cup with plastic wrap to keep the tops smooth and silky. Place the cups into a saucepan. Pour in some water next. Here is a helpful tip. If you prefer a softer pudding with a slightly creamy center, keep the water level below the tops of the cups. If you'd rather have a fully set, dense custard all the way through, let the water come up to about the same level as the pudding. Let the water boil over medium-low heat. Steam for about 10 minutes, then refrigerate for at least 3 hours until perfectly chilled. While our pudding chills, let's make a refreshing drink to serve alongside it. I have a ripe peach that needs using, so I'm going to dice it into small cubes. The sweet, juicy peaches add a wonderful summer flavor. Some fresh raspberries will go beautifully here. Add a few slices of fresh lemon and ginger to the pot as well. They brighten the tea beautifully and balance the sweetness of the pudding. If you'd like to try something different, this dessert is also wonderful with iced jasmine tea, peach iced tea, mint lemonade, or even a simple sparkling citrus drink. Gently mash the peaches, raspberries, lemon and ginger to release all those fresh juices and natural aromas. Your kitchen will smell absolutely wonderful. Add a little sugar syrup, tea leaves, and pour in the hot water. Give everything a good stir and let the flavors steep together until ready. Our caramel pudding has fully set. Carefully peel away the plastic wrap and you'll see just how silky and smooth the surface has become. Let's decorate the first pudding with crushed almonds. A little crunch pairs beautifully with the soft, creamy custard and adds a lovely nutty flavor. For the second pudding, shave a little chocolate and sprinkle over the top. Milk or dark chocolate both work great here. As it melts slightly into the chilled pudding, every bite becomes even richer and more irresistible. Let's pour ourselves a glass of our homemade peach tea and enjoy these beautiful desserts together. The silky caramel pudding, crisp almonds, rich chocolate, and refreshing fruit tea make such a wonderful combination. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves easy homemade desserts. I can't wait to cook with you again in the next video. Bye everybody!